If you have a BMW with a N20 engine or anything similar and you're having these codes, you could possibly just get a timing chain or anything like that. I want to show you something that I couldn't find anywhere on the internet, and you could do this without taking the valve cover off or any of the special tools or anything. So the first thing you need to do is just take off the sensor, Vanos sensor. I'm having a problem on the exhaust side, so once you get the sensor off, you'll look down there and you'll see this clip. Take the clip out, and I didn't really record, so I want to show you. It's easier for me to show you on a new part. Once you take the clip out, this will slide out, and let me get it out. Once you get it out, there's also a spring behind it, so you want to take both of those out. Remember how it came out, because you want to put it back right. And so once you get the spring out, then you'll kind of be looking at it like this. You can take a pick or anything that you can. There's little holes that you can kind of get a little grip on. You don't want to put it all the way in there and scar the wall or anything like that. This was my first time doing this, so I was just being careful. But once you get it out a little bit, you can grab it with your fingers and pull it out the rest of the way. And this is where I found my problem. When I took the old one out, I found it was chunks in there. I'll show you in a minute. Right here, the black chunk of the plastic housing. I guess it's like the valleys for where the oil goes for whatever pressure is at. It's the Vanos. So mine was broke, and the filter broke off the end, as you can see. So you can see that little silver part where it's supposed to be closed. So I just took the new one out of the new bolt. Instead of taking the bolt out, I just put it in there. But when you're lining it up, it has a little ear that you want to line the ear up. Once you get the ear lined up, then you'll be okay to push it. It's supposed to be tight, and so if it's loose, then it's a problem. It's either broke or something. It's supposed to be tight. So give it a little force. Push it in there as far as you can with your finger. Then I just used a flat blade screwdriver on the metal edge. I didn't want to mess up anything, and just push it in there the rest of the way. Once you get that in there, you throw your clip in. Your clip is loose. You can it'll be able to move so easily, like it's like butter. So your clip is all the way in. Once you get your clip in, all you have to do now is put the sensor back, plug it in, screw it in, plug it in, and then put your engine back. And once I did that, I started the car. I can't remember if I erased the codes or not, but the engine runs fine now, no codes.